In this video, I will show you how to fix fan restriction in Valorant. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to fix this, what you want to do is from your Windows desktop, you want to come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, type Windows Security, and then what you want to do is open up Windows Security underneath Best Match. Now, once you've got the security screen opened, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side. You can see we've got all these different icons, and you want to find this one here, which says device security. It's like a picture of a little computer. So give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this. And what you want to do at the top, you're going to see about core isolation. What you want to do is click the blue core isolation details link here. And if your memory integrity is showing as off, you want to go ahead and turn this on. If it's showing as on, go ahead and switch it off. But whichever way you do it, that should fix the problem, and you should now be able to play Valorant. Of course, once you've changed this, make sure to restart your PC. You should get a pop-up message, but just restart your PC to apply the changes, and you should now be able to play Valorant. So that's how to fix the van restriction on Valorant. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.